producing PSA as well. So the
Right.
bulk might not be huge enough it might not have the huge enough bulk to produce that much PSA.
Yeah. Yeah. Now, what is the difference in the Gleason score? Like what?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Which means anybody could be actually walking around with prostate cancer and not even know it.
It is. If you look at biopsies, autopsy series, you can. The
See
standard
that-
textbook is that for the older a man gets, the higher likelihood of getting prostate cancer. So 80% of men over 80 would have some form of prostate cancer if you look closely.
Even they would not even know if it metastasized and they could have died of something else. Is that what you're
Exactly,
saying? Oh, really? Oh,
Wait, I had it printed out here somewhere. Strange.
so you say that this pathologist found a better reading than the North Shore?
Well, the North Shore biopsy shows some of them is a 3+4, some of them is a 4+3. Okay, so the ones from here, that's strange, I might have left it outside. I'll print it again, I'll bring it for you after this. But the ones we have here, they all show that it's 3+4.
So 3 plus 4 is better than 4 plus 3.
Mhm.
So in other words, it's a. Oh, okay. So that would be a less. Is that still intermediate, or is that
It was still
less?
intermediate. Gleason 7 will still be intermediate, but a slightly better.
A better intermediate?
Yeah, yeah.
I understand.
Mm.
Is there any difference in the? Oh, so it's a 3.4 as opposed to the 4.3. Okay, yeah.
Because
That's what they
that is
said on the
3+4,
forum.
So normally,
yeah.
what they look at when they look under the microscope, say maybe 70% looks like a 3, 30% look like a. So the first number is the most prevalent
Right.
group.
Right.
So in our pathologists thought that the majority looks more like a 3 rather than a 4, but there's
Right.
still some smaller portion of 4 there.
Okay. Some. Okay. So that. So in other words, so is it surprising that there might be a possible met to the bone in that amount of time? You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
I appreciate that. Yeah, it can be a bit unusual because the PSA is low and then the Gleason seems relatively. It's not the high Gleason. We'll see what Dr. Morris think about that. That's why it make it less likely, more important to clarify on the scans.
right. Okay.
Yeah.
So is like we will know what the scan says today, or
That might probably take a few days for our radiologist to
make
look
a
at
few
that.
days.
Yeah.
So
But saying that treatment is more or less the same.
same.
You
I
start
say.
off with the same thing anyway.
나뭐 됐습니다.
So,
뭐
so you are on 3 different things. Oh, before that, let me finish getting
Sure,
all my
sure,
information. We're getting
Sure.
ahead of ourselves. So, so after biopsy, then you saw the urologist and he started you on the. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
But have you been feeling unwell in any sense at all? Any urinary problems?
all the time.
I mean, meaning to go to the bathroom, not
Yeah, yeah.
leaking or anything. You know.
I drink coffee in the morning, so I go more often.
Mm-hmm.
If I don't drink coffee, let's say if I don't drink, I drink a cup of water every morning.
Mm-hmm.
If I don't drink coffee, I can take me 1, 2, 3 hours to do nothing.
Okay.
But
Okay.
if I drink coffee makes me more.
Yeah, it
Like
does.
this morning, I drink coffee, so I think I'm going,
Mm.
so I go more often.
Okay.
Mm.
And how long have you been diagnosed with enlarged prostate? Few years or? Hmm?
I don't know, 7, 8
Okay, 7, 8.
Yeah.
At least more than 5 years. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry.
No, I was going to say, like, I hope it's not a met, but if it was, what about radiation? Do they do things?
But when it comes to those more complex questions,
It's him.
It's
Okay.
him, yeah.
Okay. Yes, it's Dr. Morris. Okay.
Are you recording or FaceTiming?
I'm
Oh, you're waiting for the.
no. I am actually. What happens is I forget because I get nervous.
Okay.
So I'm just recording what everybody's talking. Is that okay?
Preferably, normally
No?
what we do is we do a summary at the end that we can post up to you on all the stuff.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay. Fine. You want me to?